keep thinking you're one of them guys with spikes and stuff on your head when I see it from the back.
I'll have to put some spikes on it.
But it's our cameraman.
Exactly.
Smile, say hello. Having a good time?
I'm having a great time.
Okay, guys. Smile. Oh, wow, look at that view.
Oh, no.
We're looking for country western.
Wow. Where your wine was not.
Stay a while. Oh wow, your hair is a mess. Look at
that. That's what you are.
Liar face.
You know, that's what they say about you, Gino. You're a liar. So your hair is a mess? I ain't falling for that. The old helmet camera right in my face. So what do you do? Go up to girls and then put your helmet on the ground if they're wearing a skirt, like right underneath?
Well, get on my back and
watch
do
out
the
if Gino
worm.
puts his helmet on the ground next to you and you're wearing a dress.
Like you always do when you ride.
Up a skirt shot. Paradise.